Alright, yo, what is up guys? We're back again with another video. We're just here at Andy's using his car wash bay to wash the car and pretty much test out new product distributed by EndGame Collections, which is the Blo Forced Air Vehicle Dryer. Looking forward to it. It's gonna be fun time. Got all the gear to wash the cars right here. And we'll catch you when we're done, boys. Yo guys, we're just unboxing this old beast purchased from EndGame. It is a forced air blow dryer for your cars. No more swirl marks, no more towels, no deals, no bad deals and problems. It's gonna be a good day. Comes with the hose with little foam attachment so you don't burn yourself because it does get hot. Comes with two nozzles. This is for your interior. This is for the exterior. Two hose nozzles. And here's the big boy itself. This is the smaller version, valued at about 300 bucks at endgamecollection.net. Afterpay available. So if you can't afford the 300 then and there, there's afterpay. It's going to be a good day. We're going to test it out, see how it works. More behind the scenes videos with the product later. Holy chip, man! So once again with the air dryer, the pressure washer and the snow foam, we got our EndGame buckets. As you can see right there, EndGame buckets, EndGame wash mitt, and this is from Snow Foam, but all products used in the video will be in the description below.
Let's test it out, boys. What are you doing there, Bobby?
Well, hopefully this thing still... We're snow foaming the car.
Alright, show us how it's done.
Some Turtle Wax snow foam. I highly endorse this product because it smells nice and cleans the car.
Show us some action.
Alright guys, so we're going to go around the car with the wash mitt to get rid of all the dust particles and any other crap that's on the car. And then we're going to clean it with the pressure washer and get all the suds off, and then we're going to go with the dry, with the Blo. Oh fuck.
I got that on camera.
God damn.
About to do now?
Well, there's two options, one with the heat, one without heat. So that's why this foam bit here, that's what that's for, so you don't burn yourself on it. And let's get it started.
Let's get to the cinematics.
Yeah.
do here is go back.
Yo, what is up guys? So we are just done drying the car, as you have seen. All I can say about that little thing right there, it's amazing. Look at how amazingly dry the fucking car is. Excuse my language, but whoo! I will say this about the product though, it is super loud. So if you do buy it, fair warning. Alright, so Andy, what is your verdict of the Blo Air RS air dryer?
Well, my verdict is, so instead of using your microfiber cloths and stuff to dry the surfaces that are wet in the area, what this does is limit the watermarks on the car, so when you do dry the air dryer itself, it disappears and doesn't leave stains on your mirrors or on your glass, or even on some shiny spots on your paint. So in other words, I would vouch for this product, and I'm sure you guys will love it too, so get yourself one.
Oh, there you have it boys and girls, 100% recommended. Peace. But anyhow, all products used in the video will be in the description down below with a link, as well as Instagrams from EndGame Collections and my boy Andy Susano over here.
Yo, follow Bobby on Instagram and YouTube and myself.
Yes.
Be down there here.
YouTube link and Instagram links will all be in the description below. Alright guys, so that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much EndGame Collections for sponsoring today's video. The Blo ARS product works amazingly. Just look at that dry. It's just absolutely amazing. I definitely highly recommend everyone get one if you can afford it. That is, it is retailed at $300 at endgamecollection.net, or you can afterpay it for $75 every fortnight for 4 fortnights. But other than that, I highly recommend it. But I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.